In this video, I'll cover how to build a new roof and retain an existing roof. This technique also works well when rebuilding a roof and retaining existing roof planes that may be edited or manually drawn. I'll use this example where an existing house has a roof that was manually adjusted and is completed. A new garage has been added and the roof needs to be added to it. When you build a roof for a new structure, it's easy to let the program build the roof automatically for you, at least in the beginning. Underneath the Build Roof dialog, you can accomplish this by checking the Build Roof option. And then there are two settings that will retain any manually drawn roof planes or retain any edited automatic roof planes that were generated. You can check these two options and rebuild the roof. Before I proceed and build the roof, let's verify and also check the existing roof planes so that we don't lose any work that was created on the existing structure. I'm going to go ahead and press the Cancel button. On the right hand side of the screen, you can see all of the roof panels that make up this design for the house. To make sure that each one of these roof planes is marked as edited, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over, I'm going to select the roof plane tool, I'm going to hold my Shift key down. You see my cursor is in the upper left of the plan view. I'm going to hold my Shift key down, I'm going to click and drag around all of the roof planes while I'm in this roof plane mode. Then I'm going to use the Open button. On the General panel, midway down, is an area that has Mark as Edited. When I check this option, each one of those roof planes will have an edited indicator inside of it. That way, when I go back into the Build Roof dialog, we can make sure that we take advantage of it. So I'm going to go back into the Build Roof dialog, check to rebuild the roof, and then I'm going to retain any manually drawn roof planes and then retain any edited roof planes. Go ahead and select OK. And then in the 3D view, you can see on the main house the roof planes have all been retained. And then for the new structure, for the garage, you can see that the roof planes have been created automatically from the program. As you rebuild and draw the roof, it's easy to select an individual roof plane, come into the dialog and mark it as edited. That way you can use the program to retain that roof plane and not build over the top of it and take advantage of the power of the program.